Cherry, the red gem of sweet, juicy, and full of fragrance, is a unique gift of nature. The sight of cherry-filled orchards, with their bright colors and smooth skin, delights our eyes and uplifts our spirits. This sweet fruit not only pleases the eyes, but also provides a unique flavor experience with each bite. Alongside its beauty, cherries come packed with nutrients beneficial for the body. Let's dive into how this little fruit satisfies our taste buds and plays an essential role in various health aspects. Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to today's video of healthy living. Cherries grow best in mild climates and are widely produced in several regions. The top cherry-producing countries include the United States, Turkey, Iran, Italy, Spain, and China. In particular, Washington, Oregon, and California are leading states for cherry production in the United States. In terms of quality, Bing cherries from Washington in the US and cherries from Turkey are especially renowned. These cherries are large, bright red, and exceptionally sweet and juicy, making them some of the best quality cherries. Various types of cherries are also produced in China, among which the Taishan Mizao and Taihua varieties are popular. Although these cherries are medium in size, they are sweet in taste and very popular in Asia. Cherry blossoms usually bloom in spring, from March to April. The beauty of cherry blossoms is unparalleled. The petals of these flowers range from white to light pink, making them extremely pleasing to our eyes. Cherry harvesting typically takes place from June to July. At the end of spring and the beginning of summer, when cherries are fully ripe, they are picked. Cherries are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. They are also an excellent source of fiber, which aids digestion. Moreover, cherries contain melatonin, which helps regulate sleep. Research shows they can help alleviate pain, particularly for gout or arthritis pain. Cherries are highly beneficial for skincare because they contain a good amount of vitamin C, antioxidants, and beta-carotene, which help keep the skin radiant, smooth, and youthful. The antioxidants in cherries reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. The anthocyanin compounds in cherries add a natural glow to the skin. Vitamin C in cherries helps reduce dark spots and pigmentation, keeping the skin tone even. Beta-carotene in cherries protects the skin from the harmful effects of UV rays from the sun. It minimizes the aging effects and damage caused by sun exposure. For skincare, you can make a face mask or scrub with cherry juice. Extract juice from some ripe cherries. Mix it with honey, sugar, and sour yogurt to make a scrub. Apply this scrub to your face. After 15-20 minutes, rinse with cool water. This will make your skin bright and smooth. Now, let's take a look at how to make delicious homemade jelly with your favorite cherries. To make cherry jelly, start by peeling some cherries. Then mash them well to extract the juice. And extract juice from some ripe cherries. Mix 1 cup of cherry juice with 1 cup of sugar, adding 15 grams of jelly powder to it. This jelly powder contains pectin, a natural gelling agent that helps it solidify when combined with fruit. Many jelly powders also contain citric acid, which lowers the pH of the food, preventing microorganism growth. This makes it easier to preserve jams, jellies, and sauces for a long time. Heat the cherry juice mixture on the stove until thickened, and let it cool right after solidifying. You'll have delicious cherry jelly ready. We hope you enjoyed today's video about this brief information on cherry fruit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Healthy Living. Join us on this journey to stay healthy and bring the benefits of natural foods into your life. Thank you.